Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.5 question number 3. Pick out the solution from the values given in the bracket next to each equation so that the other values do not satisfy the equation. Question number A. Let us take question number A. Question number A is 5m is equal to 60. We will take first value m is equal to 10. Here m is equal to 5. M is equal to 5. Next m is equal to 12. Next m is equal to 15. M is equal to 15. Right? In the first case, if we take m equal to 10, that is in left hand side, if we take m into 10, that is 5 into 10 is equal to 50. And 50 is not equal to 60, that means left hand side not equal to right hand side. That means this is not the solution of the equation. If we take m equal to 5, what we get? Left hand side is equal to 5 into 5, that is 5 5 25, and right hand side is 60, therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side, therefore it doesn't satisfy the equation. Right? Now if we take m equal to 12, then left hand side equal to 5m, that is 5 into 12 is equal to 60, and here you see left hand side is equal to right hand side, left hand side is equal to right hand side, therefore this is the solution. M equal to 12 is the solution of the equation. This 12 is the solution of the equation, right? This 12, right? And m equal to 15, if we take the left hand side is equal to 5m, that is 5 into 15, 5 is 25, 75. Therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore we can say that 12 is the solution of the equation, right? That is 12 is the solution in question A. So we can write therefore m is equal to 12 is the solution of the equation, is the solution of the equation, right? Now question number B. What is question number B? See, question number B is now question number B. Question number B is, here you see question number B. Question number B is n plus 12 is equal to 20, right? First let us take n equal to 12, next n equal to 8, next n equal to 20, next n equal to 0, next n equal to 0, right? Here in the first case, left hand side is equal to n plus 12, the value, if we put the value of n, 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. Therefore 24 is not equal to 20, therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side, therefore this is not the solution of the equation. Now in case of 8, that is left hand side equal to n plus 12, if we take n equal to 8 plus 12 is equal to 20, therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore you can say we need not check this one, even then we are checking at left hand side n plus 12, that is n equal to 20 plus 12, that is 32, that is left hand side is not equal to right hand side. In this case also n equal to 0, left hand side is equal to n plus 12, n plus 12, that is 0 plus 12 is equal to 12. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, you can say that n equal to 8, n is equal to 8 is the solution of the equation, is the solution of the equation, is the solution of the equation. Now, we shall do question number C. What is question number C? You see, question number C is P minus 5 is equal to 5. Question number C, that is P minus 5. P minus 5 is equal to 5. Here we take the value of P as 0. P of P is 0. Then P is equal to 10. Then P is equal to 10. Then P is equal to 5. Then P is equal to 5. And the last one is P equal to minus 5. And P is equal to minus 5. Right? Now here you take left hand side. Left hand side is P minus 5. That is 0 minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Is not equal. This is not this equation, not the solution of the equation. Question number, next question is LHS is equal to P minus 5. P minus 5. P is 10. That is 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means this is the solution of the equation. Here we will not find LHS equal to P minus 5. P minus 5, that is 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Equal to right hand side. And the last question, that is left hand side equal to P minus 5. P minus 5. The value of P is minus 5 minus 5 minus 5, that is minus 10. That means the left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, what is the solution? This one. Therefore, P is equal to 10. Therefore, P is equal to 10 is the solution of the equation. Is the solution of the equation. Is the solution of the equation. Right. Now we'll do question number D. Question number D is, you see, what is question number D? Question number D is now question number D. Question number D is, you see, what is question number D? Question number D is what is question number D? Q by 2 is equal to 7 is equal to 7. Therefore, the value of Q is equal to 7. Q is equal to 7. Next value is Q is equal to 2. Q is equal to 2. Next one is Q is equal to 10. Q is equal to 10. And the next value is Q is equal to 14. Q is equal to 14. Right? The first one, Q by 2, that is 7 by 2. Left hand side is Q by 2. Q by 2, that is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is not equal to 7. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, this may not be the solution of the equation. Q equal to 2, if we write LHS is equal to Q by 2. Q by 2, that is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. In the case of this one, the left hand side equal to Q by 2, that is 10 by 2. 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Right? In case of last question, the left hand side is equal to q by 2. Q is 14, therefore 14 by 2, that is equal to 7. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore we can say that q equal to 14, therefore q is equal to 14 is the solution of the equation, is the solution of the equation, right? Now question number E. Question number E is, you here see what is question number E. Question number E is r minus 4. Question number E, that is this one. Question number E is r minus 4 equal to 0, r minus 4 is equal to 0. The value of r is equal to 4. The value of r is equal to minus 4. The value of r is equal to 8, and the value of r is equal to 0. R is equal to 0, right? Therefore in case of first case, r equal to 4, we can write LHS is equal to r minus 4. The value of r is 4, that is 4 minus 4 equal to 0, and that is equal to right hand side, right? Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means this is the solution of the equation. Here also we will not find not equal. The left hand side is equal to r minus 4, and if you write minus 4, it will be minus 8. Therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side, If r equal to 8, and left hand side is equal to r minus 4, and r equal to 8 minus 4 becomes 4. Therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side, right? If we put r equal to 0, that is left hand side is equal to r minus 4. R is 0, that is 0 minus 4, that is equal to minus 4. Therefore we can say that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore the solution of the equation is this one, r equal to 4. Therefore r equal to 4 is the solution of the equation, right? Now question number F. Question number F is, you see what is question number F? Question number F is, question number F is now what is question number F? Question number F, you are writing question number F. Question number F is x plus 4 is equal to 2. Therefore we put the value x is equal to minus 2, and x equal to 0, and x equal to 2, and x equal to 4, right? Therefore take left hand side is equal to x plus 4, x is minus 2 plus 4, that is 2. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, and that is the solution of the equation. Here you can show that left hand side is not equal to this. Left hand side is equal to x plus 4, x is 0, that is 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Therefore this is not equal to right hand side, therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side, right? Next is x equal to 2. Left hand side is equal to x plus 4. X is 2, that is 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side. In this last case, x equal to 4, left hand side is equal to x plus 4. We put the value of x as 4, 4 plus 4, that comes to 8. Therefore we can say left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore we can say that x equal to minus 2. Therefore we can say that x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is the solution of the equation. Is the solution of the equation. Is the solution of the equation. Dear friends, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.